Easter is almost here, and you know what that means. It's time to get creative with painting and decorating eggs. But how do you make your Easter eggs stand out? Should you go for a classic pastel look, experiment with intricate designs, or try something completely unique? If you're looking for fun and beautiful Easter egg painting ideas, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing Easter egg painting ideas that will take your decorations to the next level. Stick around until the end, because I have a special tip that will make your painted eggs look professional and last longer.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I paint Easter eggs without using dyes? If you don't want to use traditional dyes, there are plenty of other creative painting methods. A fun and easy technique is acrylic painted eggs, where you use a small brush to hand paint flowers, abstract patterns, or even simple designs like hearts and stars. Another unique method is chalk paint eggs, which give a soft, matte, and vintage look that's perfect for farmhouse or shabby chic decor. If you love a natural and minimalist aesthetic, try white-on-white painted eggs, where you use white paint on brown eggs for an elegant and subtle texture. Got a favorite no-dye painting method? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try. What are some classic Easter egg painting techniques? Classic Easter egg painting techniques never go out of style and are perfect for all ages. One of the easiest and most popular methods is solid pastel painting, where you use soft spring shades like pink, blue, yellow, and green to create a timeless Easter look. Another great option is polka dot eggs, where you use the tip of a paintbrush or a sponge to add cute and playful dots in contrasting colors. If you love a traditional touch, try striped or color-blocked eggs, where you tape off sections and paint in bold or soft stripes for a simple but eye-catching design. If you love these classic painting techniques, make sure to like and share this video so others can create beautiful Easter eggs too. What are some fun and kid-friendly Easter egg painting ideas? Painting Easter eggs is a great activity for kids, and making it fun is key. A super cute idea is emoji eggs, where kids paint their favorite emoji faces on bright yellow eggs for a playful design. Another exciting option is character eggs, where you transform eggs into adorable bunnies, chicks, or cartoon characters using paint and craft supplies. If your little ones love experimenting, try bubble wrap painted eggs, where they roll the eggs in paint-covered bubble wrap to create a cool, textured effect. Looking for more kid-friendly craft ideas? Check the description for my favorite Easter DIY projects. How can I create elegant and sophisticated Easter egg designs? If you want your Easter eggs to look elegant and high-end, there are a few stunning techniques to try. One of the most popular styles is metallic gold or silver leaf eggs, where you apply foil or metallic paint to create a luxurious finish. Another chic option is marbleized eggs, where you swirl nail polish in water and dip the eggs for a sophisticated and artistic look. If you prefer something timeless, black and white calligraphy eggs with handwritten words or simple line drawings make a modern and stylish statement. Want to explore more elegant egg painting ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of Easter DIY decor inspiration. How can I make nature-inspired Easter egg paintings? Nature-themed Easter eggs bring an earthy and organic feel to your decorations. A beautiful technique is floral hand-painted eggs, where you use a fine brush to paint delicate flowers and leaves for a garden-inspired look. Another creative idea is woodland-themed eggs, featuring painted animals like foxes, owls, or deer for a cozy, rustic vibe. If you love a simple but stunning design, speckled eggs created by flicking brown or black paint onto pastel-colored eggs mimic the look of real bird eggs. Want to bring nature into your Easter decor? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite nature-inspired painting supplies. What are some trendy and modern Easter egg painting ideas? If you want to keep up with the latest trends, there are plenty of modern painting techniques to try. One of the hottest trends is ombre eggs, where you gradually blend two or more colors to create a beautiful gradient effect. Another stylish option is abstract art eggs, where you use freehand brush strokes, splatters, and geometric shapes to make each egg a tiny masterpiece. For a minimalist and Instagram-worthy look, monochrome eggs painted in all white, black, or muted tones add a sleek and contemporary aesthetic. Love trendy decorating ideas? Subscribe now for more seasonal decorating inspiration. How can I use painted Easter eggs as home decor? Painted Easter eggs aren't just for baskets. They can also be used in stylish home decor displays. A great idea is placing painted eggs in a decorative glass bowl or vase, creating an elegant Easter centerpiece. Another unique approach is displaying eggs in a nest arrangement, using moss or shredded paper to make a cozy, nature-inspired table decoration. If you love rustic decor, hanging painted eggs from branches in a vase makes for a gorgeous Easter tree display. Looking for more home decorating inspiration? Check the description for my top Easter home decor finds. What are some unique ways to personalize Easter egg paintings? Personalizing Easter eggs makes them even more special. One idea is handwriting guests' names on eggs, using a fine brush or marker to create custom place settings for Easter brunch. Another creative approach is storytelling eggs, where you paint small images on each egg to create a short story or theme when placed together. If you want a thoughtful keepsake, try photo transfer eggs, where you print and transfer tiny black and white images onto painted eggs for a sentimental touch. Want to create personalized Easter eggs? Check the description for the best DIY supplies. How can I make my painted Easter eggs last longer? If you want your beautifully painted eggs to last beyond Easter, there are a few easy tricks to preserve them. One of the best methods is using hollowed-out eggs, where you carefully blow out the yolk before painting to keep them from spoiling. Another trick is sealing painted eggs with a clear acrylic spray, which helps protect the design from chipping or fading. If you want something even more permanent, wooden or ceramic eggs can be painted and displayed year after year. Excited to keep your Easter eggs looking beautiful? Check the description for my top picks for preserving painted eggs. What are some last-minute Easter egg painting ideas? Need a quick and easy way to paint your eggs? Try glitter-dipped eggs, where you brush the eggs with glue and dip them in sparkly glitter for instant glamour. A fast and mess-free idea is sticker-resist painting, where you place stickers on the eggs before painting and then peel them off to reveal crisp designs. If you're in a rush, marker-drawn eggs using metallic or pastel Sharpies allow you to create beautiful patterns in just minutes. Need quick painting hacks? Check the description for links to shop easy-to-use decorating supplies. Painting Easter eggs is one of the most creative and fun ways to celebrate the holiday, and there are endless techniques to try. Whether you love classic pastel designs, modern minimalist styles, or playful kids' crafts, there's an Easter egg painting idea for everyone. Which technique was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Easter DIY inspiration. Happy Easter and happy painting!